Yes, good morning everybody. Yes, this is Reshma ma'am. Yes, today topic is factorization using the first method called by the name taking common factor, or it is also called as by taking HCF method. Yes. So look upon this problem, 4a square b minus 2ab. So factorize means what here? First of all, you have to understand what is the meaning of factorize. Factorize means finding the factors of a given algebraic expression. So look at upon, according to the method, we have to search which are the common factor among these two terms. So how to find that common term? So that is 4a square b means, see, 4a square b means 2 into a 2 times, b 1 time. Next, 2ab, its factors, when you split this term algebraic expression 2ab as 2 into a into b. So in these two terms, so these two are the factors here, we will get 2ab as common. Look at here, 2, this is also there here, a and b. So among these two terms, what is the common factor or the HCF? HCF is 2ab. So 2ab, this is a common factor among these two terms, that you have to write outside the bracket, 2ab. Then yes, here you have to write the remaining factors, means here 2ab, its coefficient is what? 2a. So except 2ab, you should write the remaining terms, that is 2a. However, if you multiply these two terms, 2 2s are 4, a into a is a square, b. So 2ab is already common factor, its remaining coefficient, its remaining term you have to write. Yes, when you multiply these two terms, it should be is equal to 4a square b. Similarly, minus 2ab is already common here. So 2ab into 1 is 2ab. So these two are the factors, 2ab into 2a minus 1. These two are the factors of given expression. Here you should notice 2ab is the common factor. Yes, 2ab is a common factor. Hence the method is called as what? Taking common factor. So this is the first method of factorization of given algebraic expression. Yes, taking common factor. By taking common factor, we have to factorize a given algebraic expression. This is okay over. So you can do the verification here. So that how to verify? Yes, when you multiply 2ab and 2a minus 1. In the previous chapter you have been learned how to multiply the algebraic expressions. So 2ab is the monomial, it is binomial. So you know that how to multiply. 2ab into 2a minus 2ab into 1. So this you learn in a previous lesson. 2ab into 2a is how much? 4a square b. 2 2s are 4. A into a is a square b. Minus 2ab into 1 is 2ab. So this is nothing but a given expression. See here, 4a square b minus 2ab. So when you multiply the given obtained factors, you should get the given expression. Hence your answer becomes what? Right. So this is what this procedure is factorization, and this is what its verification. No need to write your verification, for your convenience sake I have written here. So that here you should know about factorization is a reverse process of the multiplication. So the conclusion of this is, you can write here, factorization is a reverse process of multiplication. Yes. So what is the meaning of this statement is, when you multiply the factors, you will get what the product, which is nothing but a given expression. Yes, factorization means process of resolving the given expression in terms of the product of its factors. And so by the verification we can say that factorization is a reverse process of or reversible process of the multiplication. So when you multiply the factors, you will get a given expression. So this method is called as finding the factors of given expression by taking common factor. This is called as what? Yes, by SF method. Factorization by taking SF method or common factor. So I hope you understand this video. Yes, if you have any clarification, you can ask. Okay, thank you.